Tesla drivetrain here, man. So this is the motor side. You see here it's welded. This is the motor, got a reduction gear here, and this is the controller here on this side. Ooh, Tesla, man. Why aren't you avoided? So here we got a lot of guys with grey hair. Yeah. And then we got the Mercedes here. First time under the Mercedes, man. Plate and all the battery boxes here. More batteries here. And we got this Tesla, man. Look, it's a super nice wheel, man. Yeah, it's a Tesla like you've never seen before. We got a Nissan Leaf fast charging here. So yeah, so this is a super fast charge, man. Let's see the specs here. It's charging pretty fast at the moment. You see here 374 volts. Nice, man. What else we got here? So we got this. Oh, we got a doggy. We got a Peugeot. Hello. So this car here has actually got some cells on the car here. You see here, so there's a Nissan Leaf pack and some BATRIUM. Where's the damage in this car? There's no damage. So the front is completely fine. This is the damage from many different angles. Slowly, so you can see nothing inside. Perfect. That's the only damage, it's just here. That's all. Ooh, Tesla.